How to fix the C drive full problem on your Windows computer. So if your C drive is running out of storage space and you're seeing a red bar, then I'm going to show you how we can go and fix this issue. Now the very first step is to open up the start menu on your computer. You can then search for settings and click on the settings window. In the left navigation, click on apps and then press installed apps. In the top right hand side, make sure sort by is set to size large to small. Now what this will do is order your applications by which ones are taking the most amount of storage space. So what I'd recommend doing is just uninstalling any applications that you don't need. So you can see this top one here is taking 25 gigabytes. So I could go and click on these three horizontal dots and press uninstall and then click on the uninstall button. Now once you've done that, the next thing we need to do is open back up the start menu, search for disk cleanup and click on this tool here. You then need to make sure your C drive is selected and press OK. You then need to check the boxes next to all of these different items. So these are basically temporary files that we can go and delete from our computer. So once you've selected everything, press OK and then click on delete files. Now there's one more thing we need to do, so open back up the start menu and click on settings. In the left hand side, click on system and then scroll down and click on storage. You can then click on temporary files and go and check the boxes next to all of these different items. Once you've selected everything, scroll back up to the top and click on remove files. You can then press continue. Now one last thing that I'd recommend doing is coming back over to this storage window and making sure storage sense is turned on and enabled, and this will ensure that your temporary files such as your cache is periodically deleted from your computer, as this is going to free up a lot of space. So you can then head back over to your C drive and that should have now fixed the storage issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.